Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to have two clips within the same video on CapCut. So we're going to click on a new project, and now we have this clip and then also this clip right over here. So we need at least two clips to create this, and now we're going to click add to on the bottom right. Now we have two separate clips, and all we have to do now is press on one of them and then scroll down until we find overlay. We press on overlay, and now we've put one clip on the bottom and the other clip on top. Now what we have to do is line them up together. So I have to click on one of them. They already are lined up together. And what I'm going to do is minimize one of these clips so they're the same duration, right? So I click on one end and then drag it all the way to fit that clip. So now we have two clips, right? All we have to do is either press this add overlay, which automatically adds, or if this button doesn't pop up, we go back and then we click on overlay. We find overlay right over there, click on overlay, and we've added them together. And now what we want to do is press one of these clips and then move it up. Actually, yeah, we want to actually move the bottom one first. So we want to move this one down, maybe zoom in a little bit for it to fit the face, like this. And now we click on the second clip, move it up, like that. And now we have two clips playing at the same time on the same video. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.